Mistplay Cashback offers usually fail because the tracking link gets broken before the purchase is completed. By the end of this, you'll know how cashback tracking works, why it fails, and how to fix it before you lose another reward. Here's the direct answer. If your Mistplay Cashback isn't tracking, the first thing to check is how you open the offer. Cashback only works if you tap the offer inside Mistplay and complete the purchase in the same browser or app session. If you copied the link, switched browsers, or opened the store later, the tracking cookie usually breaks. That means Mistplay never sees the purchase. Start by repeating the process correctly. Open Mistplay, tap the cashback offer, and let it redirect you directly to the merchant. Do not open another tab. Do not use incognito mode. Those steps can kill the tracking. Now check ad blockers. Apps like AdGuard, browser extensions, or private DNS settings can block affiliate trackers. Go to your phone's network settings and switch private DNS to automatic. Disable AD blockers before using cashback offers. Next, turn off your VPN. Cashback systems verify location. If your IP says one country but your Mistplay account says another, the merchant may reject the tracking. That's a common reason cashback disappears. Now check cookies. If you're using Chrome, go to Settings, Site Settings, and make sure cookies are enabled. Cashback depends on cookies storing your click data. If cookies are blocked, there's nothing to connect your purchase to Mistplay. Timing matters too. Some cashback offers don't appear instantly. Pending rewards can take hours or days to show, depending on the merchant. If you just finished a purchase, wait before assuming it failed. If the reward still isn't there, collect proof. Take screenshots of the offer page, the order confirmation, the payment receipt, and the time you made the purchase. Then, contact Mistplay support through the app. That gives them enough proof to manually review the cashback. One more thing people miss: don't use discount codes from outside Mistplay. Many merchants cancel cashback if you use a coupon not listed inside the offer. That breaks the referral chain. Quick recap. Always start the cashback offer inside Mistplay, keep the purchase in the same session, disable VPNs and AD blockers, allow cookies, and avoid outside coupon codes. Your next step is simple. Test your next cashback offer using those exact steps from start to finish. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.